When it comes to building an agency in the digital marketing arena, the longevity of your clients actually matters more than getting new sales. And I know that may sound kind of backwards, right? You may be just starting out. You may not have a lot of clients, and it might be incumbent upon you to land clients. But what's also important is not just landing clients. If you put in the work, you're going to land clients. But what you need is a plan for how you're going to maintain the clients once you land them, okay? It really doesn't matter if you're selling websites, you're selling SEO, you're selling local business listings, social media. It doesn't matter what you sell. What matters is that you retain the clients that you have, that you keep them happy and you keep them in your Rolodex, okay? Make sure that you do this, because if you don't do this, over time, something is going to build up against you. You'll be seeding the marketplace with ex-clients who don't have necessarily a good reason for ever doing business with you again. People dump their developers or dump their service providers. When they do that, they don't turn around and good mouth them to strangers, right? The term bad mouth, it's out there for a reason, okay? They dumped that service provider for a reason. And typically, those reasons are lack of communication, lack of follow-up, lack of phone calls, lack of feeling like they were special or that you cared. There's a whole litany of reasons why people dump whoever it is that they're working for. It's crucial that when you are thinking about your agency, when you're just building it, right, you might just be starting up. It's why you're watching this video. Maybe you've been running your agency for 6 months, a year, whatever. That you look at your clients that you have right now as your number one easiest resource to get more clients, number one best resource to build the foundation of your agency over time, okay? Have a plan in place. And what does that plan look like? Roughly speaking, what should a plan look like for how you're going to handle your clients? I can't give you all the specifics of, what exactly, you should do with your clients, the specifics of your service, but I can tell you this. Routine follow-up is absolutely essential. If I have a client and I sell them, for example, an SEO campaign, I want to book meetings with them every single month, because I want that client to continue to pay me for a very long period of time. I want them to re-up the campaign when it expires. I want them to continue with me for forever, potentially, right? Same with web development. You sell somebody a website. Why not have a meeting with them? Maybe you don't have a meeting every month. Why not have, a couple meetings with them a year? Maybe you meet with them quarterly, 4 times a year. It's not overkill. You don't have to have a big, lengthy, long meeting. You give them a phone call. You have their name, number, information inside a CRM system, which is also crucial. You need to have a CRM system so you can stay organized. You have their information in that system. You go ahead and you pull up the record. You give them a phone call, ask them how business is going, ask them how their website's treating them, ask them if it's doing them justice, if they're getting leads from it. Are they happy with their website? Is there anything they'd like to see changed? On those phone calls, that's when you get upsells. That's when the person says, well, I'd like to see this changed, or I'd like to see that changed, or I'd like to add this or add that. It's always going to end with them saying, thank you for the phone call. They're never going to, end a call upset that you, talk to them. But it's going to ensure that you stay in their minds, that you ward off competitors, that you keep them a client of yours and they keep them paying, okay? Now, another thing that you can do is you can periodically send either, mail out an actual thank you letter, or at least send out emails. Always send out analytics. If you have analytics reports to provide, like our partners do here at Rocket Driver, make sure that you send out those analytics reports. I will typically, at least for the first few analytics reports, hop on the phone, make sure that they got the analytics report, make sure it's not going to spam, make sure they know how to interpret the information on it. There are other services you can sell that are very similar, that are out there, that you should do the exact same thing with. Whatever you're selling, whatever it is that your business is doing, make sure that you use that number one crucial resource, which is all the people that you've sold. Always be communicative. Always answer the phone. What I typically tell people to do, and I've told the people a lot of times in my career, is I don't answer emails with emails. I answer emails with phone calls when it's a client that's contacting me. The client emails me and, has a problem, needs help with something, etc. I'm always going to hop on the phone and talk to them, because I'm ensuring that I'm making that client feel important. Also, on the phone call, that's when clients typically will give you referrals. They'll help you out. This is a business where you're helping somebody to get help yourself. It's a reciprocal relationship. And that's how you have to look at it. So be wise, keep the clients that you have, stay in communication with them, treat them with respect and care that they deserve. You will grow your agency much faster, and you're going to grow it in a stable way that ensures that you have a bright future. If you like this video, smash the like button, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and you can always register for our newsletter on our website to get emails from us. Talk to you soon.